In this video, I'm going to show you how to post a story on TikTok. And what we're going to do is we're going over to the bottom right section where we click on profile. And to create a story, we are going to click on our profile icon, basically, or your avatar, or you can basically click on the blue plus icon. So we click on this, and now we can select content, we can select a video, or we can select an image. I'm going to select an image. And as you can see, we can edit this image, and at the bottom side it says your story. And when you click this button, this will be added onto your story. So let's edit something. Let's call it my new story. And I am going to click on your story. And now it's been processed. And as you can see, you can click on it right now. You see that this is my story at the moment. And at the bottom left, you can see how many views this story has. You can also delete it when clicking on the three dots at the bottom right. And there you click on delete. You can save this story, or you can share this story with your friends. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I see you in the next one.